Hi, this is a short video on how to integrate a piecewise function defined by aligned segments so that we can see the difference between the area enclosed by the graph versus the integral value. So let's start with the area enclosed by the graph. We have three aligned segments. You can clearly see there's a triangle here, there's another triangle here, and there's another triangle here and another triangle here. So what essentially we're going to do, we're going to find the area of each one of these triangles and we're going to add them together to find the area, right? So for the first triangle here, the height is 1/2 base times height, so the base is 2, the height is 1. Plus the second triangle, 1/2 times the base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, times the height, which is 2. Plus this triangle here, 1/2, the base is 2, the height is 1, plus, and the last triangle is 1/2 times the base is 2, and the height is 2. So that's going to give us 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2, and that is going to add up to 10. So the area here is 10. That's area. You should know by now that the area and the value of an integral are not necessarily the same thing. And what we have here is we have some of these triangles that are below the x-axis and some that are above. And that's going to matter when we are going to integrate this. Now, of course, the idea here is when it's asking you to find the integral is not try to come up with an equation for all that, because it's going to take you quite a bit of time to try to figure that out. And then on top of that, so you're going to have to figure out the equation for each line segment and then integrate that. You don't want to go down this route. So what do we have here? So right here we're below the x-axis, and that means it's going to be negative. Right? So we're talking about negative area. I use that with quotation marks, negative area, because area cannot really be negative. So here we're above, and that's going to be positive, right? Here again we're below, so this one's going to be negative, and here again we're above, and it's going to be positive. So we're going to start here. It's going to be 1/2 times the base, which is 2, times the height, which is 1, but that's going to be taken with the negative sign. Plus our second triangle is above, so everything's positive. So it's going to be 1/2 times 2 times 6. Plus, again, a negative, because below the x-axis is going to be negative 1/2 times 1 times 2, and then again above, so plus 1/2 times 2 times 2. So again, you need to be very careful. Any parts that are below the x-axis, that area is going to be quote-unquote negative, and then you have to take that into consideration when you integrate, not when you evaluate the area. So what are we getting here? That's going to give us -1, it's going to give us +6, it's going to give us -1 also, and it's going to give us +2. So when we do all the math here, it's going to be 6. So the integral of this function from -4 to 8 of f of x dx is 6. And that's it.